Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres near Cancun in Mexico, and I'm gonna do a room tour. I'm staying at the club section, which is adult only. The hotel is new, has been open on November 19, 2019. This bathtub has a very interesting feature. Lots of people love to watch what's going on their phones. I found this very useful, this little device here, for that. I don't know if it was built on purpose for that, but it works for me very well. That's why I don't drop my phone into the water. We have a great shower. The raindrop shower head, and also handheld shower. Very nice amenities here. Herbal from Mallorca. The toilet is separate. The room is quite spacious, over 650 square feet. Always great to get a makeup mirror. And here we have very powerful hair dryer. Look at this head. Of course, the bathrobes and the slippers. My shoes. What's very interesting at this hotel is that instead of an ironing board, we have this steamer, which I used today, and it worked great. Here's the brush. Great idea to prevent possible fire, but not many hotels have this kind of solution. We have our regular safe, which is very easy to operate. When you check in into the club section of the hotel, you have a choice of one bottle of liqueur that you may bring home with you, and there is a list of them. And we have two coffee machines, the regular one and an espresso one. And also some snacks that are replenished daily, and a mini bar filled with 3 kinds of beer, soft drinks, and of course water, and a small Milky Way snack. And all the light controls are here, so I can turn on and off from here, and also the fan control is here. You have 24-hour in-room dining. I had some yesterday, and the food was very good. Lots of choices. Then we have the docking station, so you can bring your own music. Linen, high quality ones, and there is also a pillow menu. And my maid was very creative today. They have those masks everywhere around the resort to celebrate the carnival. Very comfortable sofa, and a book about the area that we are in. some stories about Mayans, and a nice breakfast bar. All the rooms here come with an outdoor jacuzzi. The terrace also comes with a day bed. And I have a little garden as I'm on the second floor up. Beautiful sky. I love this time of the day when the day turns into the evening. And another mask left by my maid. Resort is really beautiful during the day and also at night, as they do not turn those lights off the balconies. And I have the perfect location. I'm halfway to the lobby and halfway to the beach. So the beach is down there. You have your privacy here. Very nice, sleek and modern design. And you can bring the blind down for the night, so the lights don't bother you. This room category comes with a butler service. So all in all, is a great hotel room, as is the hotel. I'm enjoying my time here, and please tune in for more videos.